Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meat again, and in this quick tip, it's a very quick tip actually. I just want to talk about pivot selection when it comes to multiple objects. So I've got a scene set up, I've got multiple objects, well 4 objects here, and obviously if I select say the sphere, I can rotate the sphere around its pivot, and if I select the cube, same is true of that. But if I select all 4, so if I shift select all of these, you can see that what happens is the pivot for all of these objects, it tries to look at the all of the objects and then extrapolate a pivot which is central to all of them. So this is what you'll get, something like that. So you can just see it's off center of that cube. And what if you don't want that to be the pivot? What if you want to use a different object? You can see that each object's pivot is still visible even when they're all selected. So if you go to the Move tool and hover over one of these, say this Platonic here, you can see it turns white. You can actually select that. And now if we go back to our Rotate tool, we can use that as the pivot for all of these objects. And the same is true if we choose the sphere here. Oh, sorry. Reselect all of them. Excuse me. I need to be back on my Move tool, don't I? And then back to rotation, and we can rotate around the sphere. So yeah, that's it guys. I just wanted to share that quickly. As always, check out the website at digitalmeat.uk. You can follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter and the like, and there'll be a link in the description. And if you'd like to become a Prime member, visit digitalmeat.uk and have a look in the store. Okay, cheers for listening guys. Bye.